Hey, all you woodworking and vintage machinery junkies, Happy New Year. I think we're all ready for 2021 to get 2020 behind us. Hopefully the new year will give us a fresh start. So believe it or not, as we begin the new year, we've also got 500 subscribers. Wow, can't believe it. This channel really started out of nothing. I was just posting very short tours of machines that when I was selling them on Craigslist and other sources, and all of a sudden, my goodness, I started getting emails and questions and comments and all sorts of things suggesting I should start a channel. So here it is. We're learning as we go. I appreciate all the questions, comments, support, and even some of the donations. Wow, very generous. I really appreciate it. Been learning a lot from you folks as well as I've been trying to improve the channel and make it more useful. So please keep those questions, comments, and so forth coming. I get stuff every week from people all over the country, emails and phone calls. Just yesterday I had a great conversation from a guy all the way on the West Coast, a doctor who's a woodworker, and trying to help him track down something specific. So as we cross 500 subscribers, just wanted to do a little giveaway. First person to email me will get this Delta Rockwell machinery catalog from the 1970s. These are always great to add to your vintage machinery collections, to have a little bit of dirty paper to go with them. This one's from the 70s, so it has all the classic Delta Rockwell machinery from that era, Unisaws and so forth. Has pictures, artwork, descriptions, and specs of all the machines from that era. So if you want to get a free catalog from the 70s, Delta Rockwell, first person to send me an email will get it. I'll send it to you. And like I said, really appreciate all the support. We've got to 500 subscribers. Hopefully we can get to 1,000 quicker. Help make that happen. I really appreciate it. Also, I've got a tripod now for Christmas. I got a tripod for my camera, so we'll be using that to help document the process of restorations a little better. Got several things that we'll be getting to here in the coming weeks. Here's a Unisaw that'll be coming up. There's a shaper there in front of the big powermatic planer. Here's a powermatic belt sander that I've been working on. And over here in this corner, we've got a few Delta Unisaws that'll be upcoming this year as well. So lots of projects in the works. Again, really appreciate your support. This is a work in progress. It's sort of interesting how it all started and how it continues to develop. Hopefully we can get to 1,000 subscribers pretty quickly this year. Do what you can to make that happen. If you're interested in this catalog as we cross 500 subscribers, first person to send me an email will get it. Happy New Year. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching. Hope the video has been helpful for you. Feel free to subscribe using the subscribe link. And if you've benefited from the channel and enjoy what you see here, consider donating using the PayPal link that's on my banner picture on my YouTube channel homepage. I put out a video per week. Hope they're helpful. Anything else I can do, contact me. Thanks a lot.